Happy April 1st, everybody! If you don't know what that means, it means I have consistently for a year weekly uploaded. Very obviously, I kind of broke it today by posting this on a Tuesday. But it's to make this video, and so does it count? I don't say it does, but you might, just to annoy me. This year has honestly been amazing. I'm so very happy with how it's happened in my own life and, well, in content creation as well. I've reached way more people than I ever thought I would. 100 views is wild to me, and we hit 1,000 back with the Naked and Afraid video, and I was so impressed and surprised by that. It's genuinely been amazing. I've had fan art, and to name and praise here, Fanboy Ben. They're amazing. I'm so happy that I can see that it's affected people. That what I put out has affected people. It's been so actually amazing, and I could not be happier. Now, I know you were expecting a horror mod video today, well, yesterday, but we ran into a lot of technical problems when it came to recording them, and we haven't really been able to get a recording session in this week just because of that. Plus, I really wanted to just make this video and express how I felt instead of just putting it into the intro of the horror mod video. Do rest assured, though, by next week we will probably get back to the regularly scheduled program, and the storyline might develop more. Who knows? And if you didn't know, it's got a lot of Simps lore too, so I would genuinely recommend it out when, at least before the first Simps Season 2 episode comes out, because I've been working on that, and it's coming up really good, and I'm really proud of it. I'm so excited for it. I've put a lot of work into it, and I'm proud on how it's turning out. Let's play a sneak peek right now. I tried to introduce myself, but I think I came off a bit strong. Word spread quite quickly that I wasn't as welcomed there as I previously thought, and so I very quickly decided to pack up everything important and try find a new place to live. Anyway, the future of Cheems the dog is very bright, and I hope you will join me on the journey. And as always, be good people.